In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play this great melody and how to mix it into your chords, like this. Up above my head, I hear music in the air. Up above my head, I hear music in the air. Sister Rosetta Tharpe, the godmother of rock and roll, sang this beautiful gospel blues song I'm going to teach it to you right now. I'm going to be teaching you all about picking melodies and so much more at my upcoming online course. Check the links in the video description below to register. Your ticket will include a PDF booklet, a replay recording with easy to follow chapters. The course is baritone friendly. We'll be exploring 3 awesome melodies, the pentatonic scale, and I'm going to be playing a 30-minute concert set for you as well. Check the links down below to register. I hope to see you there. As we learn the melody, we're going to be picking it with the thumb, strumming with our index finger, and this double action will create a lead and a rhythm part all in one. Begin to learn it by strumming your F major chord and lift up that middle finger. We're going to pick the open C string twice, drop the middle finger on the 2nd fret, and then follow through the chord. Up above my head, and just follow it with some strumming. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. The rest of the melody, just pick down the chord. You can see I'm adding my ring finger there on the G, and follow it with more chord. In the online course, I'm going to give you all kinds of warm-ups, all kinds of ways of getting your fingers more flexible as we explore pentatonic scales, melodies from a variety of different tunes. Check the links down below if you want to join. The next part of the melody walks up to the C chord. Sounds like this. Now what I did was I added a special bluesy double stop, and I want to teach that to you right now. You could play it without that double stop. You could pick 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, and then strum the C5 chord. But if you put this bluesy double stop, it really adds a lot more character to it. So let's explore how to do that. Begin by placing your ring finger at the 5th fret A and the open string. Play those 2 strings at the same time, and you've doubled the note. Now slide your ring finger into the 5th fret, 1 fret below, and then rest and do it again. Hear that grace note? Great. Now do it from 2 frets below. And while you're doing this, make sure you're resting in between and focusing on the 5th fret. All of my attention is on landing on the 5th fret, and then I slide back down to the 3rd fret. Let's play that together. It's a nice sound. When you add it to the melody, it adds so much more character. And then follow it with the C. And then the next phrase continues in that same way. So a grace note in. Let's play what we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. So you see how I'm bouncing back and forth, picking the melody with my thumb, strumming with my index finger. The second half of the melody is very much like the first half. Except right here, switch to F7. It's just dropping the ring finger right in there. If you want to make it more fancy, you can walk up. See how I walked up a little boogie line? And it sounds really cool. Then we play the same phrase as before, but we land on a B flat chord. If you'd like to add some more color, you can follow that B flat chord with the B flat minor 6 fancy chord, open 1, 1, 1. Put it all together, it sounds like this. F major, walk up, B flat minor. Then we play the same phrase again. F, C. And we end it with this cool bluesy lick, making a rectangular shape. 5th fret and index finger. See how that rectangle moves down the neck? And my index finger just hops right over to the F chord. Thanks for watching. Did you know 60% of people who watch Ukulele Zen are not subscribed? I know, it's crazy. It's like making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich without the bread. You know, subscribing is free. It takes just 1 second and it really helps this channel out. So if you're digging what you're experiencing here, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let's keep on making music together. Okay, let's play the entire example now, and then after we sing a verse, we'll play the instrumental break. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Up above my head, I hear music in the air. Up above my head, I hear music in the air. Up above my head, I hear music in the air. I really do believe there's a heaven somewhere. Pick it. Let's sing it. All around this room, I hear music in the air. All around this room, I hear music in the air. All around this room, I hear music in the air. I really do believe there's a heaven right here. I hope you enjoy adding this melody to your playing today. Check the links down below to register for the online course. Click right here to watch another video. And I hope you and your family are doing well, enjoying music, wishing you all blessings until we see each other again.